Ladies, this just may be the most difficult card you have ever put together, let me tell you. But it's kind of cute, don't you think? It is using the grunge stamp, which is this little guy down here, if you can even see it. The grunge stamp, and this one, which I don't know, I think it's supposed to be eucalyptus, but I'm not sure. It doesn't look exactly like a eucalyptus. But anyway, if it's eucalyptus, our eucalyptus is going to be pink. Actually, Rococo Rose. So let's get your kit, which I'm hoping that you do have. I mailed several of them, and I am crossing my fingers that you've got them. I don't know that. Nobody told me you didn't. So we will see. So get it out, and in that kit, you will have an envelope, and you will have a card base. You will have a piece of Whisper White that has been stamped with those two stamps that I told you about, and we did a little bit of pink and black for the grunge stamps. Okay, you have a label that is stamped with "Trust me, you are lovely." How about that? And you are lovely, you know that, don't you? Rococo Rose. This is the stitched layered labels. I hope you're not sick of seeing this, because it seems to just work for me, for the time being anyway. And we have a black one, and these of course are in layers. And we have these doilies. These are from, you guys remember the spider web from long ago, probably 3-4 years ago, spider web doily? Well, these are from the center of it. This was the center, and then the spider web went out from there. So anyway, I've taken the center of that, cut it out, and cut it in half. So what we're going to be doing is, of course, layering the art piece onto our base. And I forgot, you're supposed to have a piece of foam. I hope you do. I was out of foam, and I had to order some more. Kits were already done, so I hope I remembered to put it in there. But anyway, a piece of foam, and find my tape. Okay. I'm going to do the removable again. Layer that artwork onto your foam, and then of course layer your foam onto your card base. And you have about 1/8 of an inch reveal. Standard stuff here. I'm relatively straight. If you don't have that foam piece, there is absolutely nothing wrong with doing this just in the traditional flat. Okay, so with the next one, we're going to put our black label. Then the pink one. Excuse me, Rococo Rose. I really like that color too. It's a good one. We're going to use the foam on our label with the lettering. Now then, your doily. I guess we should have put the doily down first, positioned it where you wanted it. Mine you can lift. So I think we're going to start over. Okay, the other thing I wanted to tell you is this can be done in a portrait position as well, if you like that better. This way. Okay, same deal. The doilies that way. Okay, and another option would be back to, I kind of almost like it this way better. In fact, I know I do. The other option is to put the labels back in the horizontal position and put the labels on the, nope, can't put the labels on the end because they stick out across the top and bottom, so you don't want to do that. Okay, so it's either horizontal or vertical, girls. Whatever you want to do. Like I said, I think I like this rendition better. So go ahead and do it however you like, but I think this is probably the best. And that concludes our demonstration for card number 1. Like I said, it was a toughie.